may theory ako. Well, it's not actually a theory. Basta. I just wanna rant it about, like, I don't know, I think God is so intentional in my life. So much. The point, pati sa panaginip, nakikita ko na yung future ko na joke. Hindi, ganito kasi. So, since I'm a graduate of grade 12, ayan, we're going to the first step in life again, which is the college life. Yeah, diba? What a big word. For 4 years, that's going to be my main goal, graduate ng ganong course. And you know what, di ko lang kung nai-evil eye ako or something. Kasi hindi pa lumalabas yung results sa nursing. At sabi nila, konti lang yung pumapasa doon. Tapos, last year, parang 2 batch lang. Ngayong year, hindi ko na kung ilan. Kasi nag-i-interview na sila. Yung first batch, nag-i-interview na, inilabas na. Ngayon, ako overthink ko. Pati sa panaginip ko, nadala ko siya. And you know what? What's the result? My second choice. I'm very confident about it din naman. Pero kasi, yung second choice ko pala, by the way, is Bachelor in Arts of Communication. So, I think I can do it naman. Yung kaso sabi nga nila, kailangan makapalang mukha. Siguro naman matututunan yun, diba? Kasi, I'm so mahiyain. Ganito na ako mag-rant in front of a cam. But bro, in person, like, bro, I'm just overthinking it so bad. Hindi naman sa I can't see myself being in my second choice. I think I'll enjoy it more because there's arts. I love arts. Pero kasi yung nursing. Nursing kasi yung naka-focus ko talaga. And, yeah. Any tips? Is my crush out valid? Like, baka okay lang ako. Pero kasi, hindi ko na alam kung nilabastay ko ba ba sarili ko. Magpapasa ako na sa course. And nakakapag-overthink kasi lahat na ng tao nagtatanong sa akin, hala, course mo, hala, kukunin mo. Nakaka-pressure siya ng super tight, ha? Kasi, they're expecting, bro, like, come on. Sana pumasa po ako. Tapos redirection pala binigay sa ako ni Lord. Hindi ka sa nursing na.